Sir Kitty, we're going to practice our math lesson today. We're still on picture graphs, so today's worksheet is pick a flower pictograph. So it must be a graph about flowers. So let me read this top part to you. Stephanie is helping her mom plant flowers in the garden. Find out how many flowers Stephanie planted in the past few days by reading the pictograph below. Then answer the questions. Remember, each flower in the pictograph stands for 2 flowers. We talked about that before. Sometimes pictographs will have one symbol mean 1, one symbol means 2. It can mean any number, so you always have to remember to look at the key. So it says 1 flower is 2 flowers. So we need to skip count by 2s when we're counting. So let's practice that really quick. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Very good. Let's try it again and you see if you can know the number before I say it. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Remember, counting by 2s is counting the even numbers if that helps you. So just like before, let me get my little pencil tool here. I count the numbers before I even read the questions. I do this because it helps me remember the answers and I don't have to keep counting. So for Sunday, how many flowers did Stephanie pick? 2, 4, what is half a flower? Do you have an idea? If 1 flower is really 2 flowers, what would half a flower be? Can you think of the answer? If you guess that a half a flower is 1, then you are absolutely correct. Sometimes when the key equals more than 1, they have to divide it if the person only picked 1. So anytime you see half a flower, we need to remember that that is only 1. I'll put a little 1 there so we don't forget. All right, let's go back to the beginning. 2, 4, and 1. 2, 4, and 1 is 5. Very good job if you knew that one. All right, let's look for Monday. I don't see any half flowers, so I'm just skip counting by 2s. Let's do it together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Very good if you kept up with me. Let me write a 16 there. Not an O, silly computer. Let's try one more time, make a really big 6. All right, Wednesday. Why don't you count and then I'll count and we'll see if we get the same answer. What did you get? I got 10. Let me show you how I got that. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Did you get 10? Amazing job if you did. If not, try recounting and see if you get the correct answer. All right, Friday, you go first and then I'll do it. What was your answer? Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8. Very good, boys and girls. I bet you got that one right. All right, our last one, Saturday. Ooh, what do I see there? A half a flower. What does that mean? What does that number equal? Half a flower? Do you remember? It means 1. I'll put a little 1 there so we don't forget. Come on, computer. Put a little 1 there. All right, let's count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, plus 1 is 13. Very good counting. All right, now we can answer the questions. Let me see if I can zoom in on the questions a little bit. What does this symbol mean? Half a flower. We know this. We've already done it twice. What does that half a flower mean? It means one flower. Very good. See if I can, oop. It's tricky writing on these computers, I tell ya. One flower. Very good job, boys and girls. All right, question number 2. If it'll let me write an R. Question number 2. How many flowers did Stephanie plant on Wednesday? So I go to my graph. There's Sunday, Monday, Wednesday. There we are. And my answer and your answer should be 10. Isn't it so nice, boys and girls, that once you do the math part at the beginning, you can answer the questions really quickly. So 10 flowers. Remember, we always want to label our answer in 2nd grade because then it tells the reader or you what you counted. It could be anything if you don't label it. 10 flowers. I don't think they like the letter R here. Nope, that's not an R. Wish me luck, wish me luck. Very good. Woo, I made it. Number 3. On what day did Stephanie plant the fewest flowers? Ooh, do we remember what fewest means? Fewest. So let's look. Fewest. Who remembers what fewest means? Fewest means the least or the littlest. LL. So which number is the smallest? Can you say it out loud? Can you find the day? If you saw that 5 was the smallest number, wonderful job. And if you could find that that was Sunday, you did even better. So we're going to write Sunday, because that was the day. And she did 5. 5 what? What's my label? Flowers. Very good. All right, wish me luck on this R. Say good luck, Mrs. Urquidi. All right, here it comes. Ooh. Ah! Come on. Say, come on, computer, come on, computer. Ugh. I don't know why it doesn't like ours. One more. Otherwise, maybe I'll make it a capital R. Okay. Just for right now, right? Special circumstances for math. 5 flowers. Good job. Number 4. On which day did Stephanie plant the most flowers? How many more did she plant on that day than Sunday? Ooh, this is a 2-part question. So let's be smart and do the first question first. What day did she plant the most flowers? So let's scroll up to my graph. You're looking for the biggest number or the biggest amount of flowers in the pictograph. What is your answer? Can you say it out loud? Can you tell mom or dad? Can you tell a cat or a dog or a little brother, little sister? Big brother, big sister? Tell your iPad? Very good. The biggest day was Monday, right? She picked 16 flowers that day. So let's do that, Monday. That's our first answer. Okay, question number 2. How many more did she plant on that day than Sunday? Remember, we talked about, boys and girls, when graphing asks you a question about more or least, they're asking you to do a math, like a plus or minus. So when we read that, we have to train our brains to go ding, ding, ding. We have to do a math problem. We're doing something adding, we're doing some subtracting. One of each, or one of both, or just one. So let's look at Monday and Sunday. Those are the days we need. So Monday, Sunday. So Monday she had 16. Sunday she picked 5. So do you think we should add or subtract? The question is, how many more did she plant on that day than Sunday? How many more? So let's think about that. If I added them, would that tell you the difference? No, that would tell you the total, right? That's a different math word that we remember. The difference, or how many more, is subtraction. So if you knew that, amazing job. If it was a little bit tricky, no problem. We'll keep practicing. So I'm going to subtract 16 minus 5. So let me write my equation, right? That math word. 16 minus 5. And you start figuring out your answer. 16 minus 5. There are lots of different ways to do this, right? A number line, your fingers. You could possibly know this, which would be awesome. Don't need any math tools except your brain. A 100 chart. Or you could draw 16 and take away 5. That's another great way. Let me give you a couple more seconds to get your answer. And if you need more time, you can always pause the video. All right. Do you have your answer? I'm about to say it. If not, pause the video so you get a couple more seconds of math time. All right, 16 minus 5 is 11. Did you get that answer? Amazing job if you did. If not, try to recount or use a different strategy. So my answer is 11, right? Kind of, right? What am I forgetting? What did all my other answers have? What is it? Say it if you know it. A label, right? Absolutely. We cannot forget labels. So important in 2nd grade. All right. Let me get this. 11 flowers. I'm so sorry, boys and girls. That R is so tricky on here. Let me use the capital one more time just for special math. All right, very good, boys and girls. All right, number 5, our last question. We're almost home. Draw symbols to represent 5 flowers. So we have to draw something that looks like that to show 5 flowers. And remember the key, 1 flower is 2. So can I draw just 5 flowers and count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? No, I can't, right? Because whoever made this said the key is 2 flowers, so that would be way more than 5. So we have to use one of the half flowers. I will give you that clue. So why don't you, on your whiteboard or a piece of paper, see if you can draw the symbols for 5 flowers. And I will give you a couple seconds. And if you need more time, just pause the video. And remember, they don't have to be very beautiful flowers, just so you know that they're flowers. right, boys and girls, let's see. I need 5 flowers, and I know I need to skip count by 2, so I'm going to start off by 1. I'm just going to draw. Hopefully the computer stays. Oop, very good. All right, what is that 1 flower worth? It is worth 2. Very good. Am I at 5 yet? No, so I got to keep going. Here's 1 more flower. That's not so bad, huh? It's pretty cute. All right, what am I at? 2, 4. Am I at 5 yet? No, not yet. So can I draw another flower? Let's see. I'll draw it. 2, 4, 6. Uh-oh, what number was I supposed to stop at? I was supposed to stop at 5, so can I do that? No, let me delete that. I can't use a whole flower, so what am I gonna use? Do you know in your very smart brains? Come on, smart cookies. Say it if you know it. I have to use that half flower symbol, right, boys and girls, right there. Absolutely. So I'm just gonna draw some squiggly lines and kind of a circle and call it a day. How about that? So 2, 4, and 1, and that is 5, right? Very good, boys and girls. You did awesome. This was probably one of our hardest worksheets we've done because I know that half flower is a little bit tricky, and skip counting you haven't probably done it all summer, so that's different too. But you did really, really great. Awesome job, boys and girls. I'll see you in a little bit.